Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set.
Welcome to episode 6 of Dance Simplified. Today we will be learning the Rooftop Dance, Superman Dance and Wu Tang Dance. Let's start with the Rooftop Dance. Step your right foot to the front. Slide it back. When you slide back, lift your left foot heel up simultaneously. So it will be like this. Now step your left foot to the front. And like before, while sliding it back, lift your right foot heel up simultaneously and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. For your hands, use it like you are pulling a rope. When you use your right foot to slide, use your right hand. And do the same with the left hand. Now repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's learn the Superman dance. Lift your right foot up, step with that foot. When you step right foot, lift up left foot to the back side simultaneously. Now step your left foot in front of the right one. At the same time, lift up your right foot to the back side. Step right foot and lift up left foot again. And after this, you don't replace your leg. Lift the right foot up and step with the same foot while lifting left foot up simultaneously. Let's do it from the beginning. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Now you do exactly same while starting with the left foot. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Let's do them together. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. For your hands, when you lift one foot to the back, simultaneously raise the hand on the same side in this way. Boom, boom. Let's combine both hand and feet together. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's proceed to the next move of hip hop, which is Wu Tang Dance. Start by standing in a squat position. Make a fist with both hands. Now lift your right hand up and bring it down as if you are slicing like a ninja. And then lift your left hand up. Bring it down close to your hip. Now cross your hands and bring them down together. Now lift both hands up and hammer them down together. While you're doing this move, make sure your body is not still. Move them with the hands movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the steps we have learned with the count. Rooftop dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Superman dance. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Wu Tang dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Now let's do them with the music.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
I hope you have learned something from this video. If you'd like to know more moves of hip hop dance as a beginner, please click here. Keep learning, keep dancing.